अरे यार गेट किधर है? ओ ये लाइट मध्ये आहे ना आपण. ओ सॉरी सॉरी. क्या बोल रहे? बाजूला बाजूला कोण थैंक यू.
आराम से guys, just
back in person.
help each other.
One at a time. Next, can talk about what happened today in the meeting and what was.
We discussed several points. We discussed auction, we discussed players, we discussed several points. You know, uncapped players. We discussed a lot of points.
So what was Punjab Kings stands? I mean,
I'm not going to tell you what Punjab Kings stand is, but let's just put it this way: it was a good meeting. Happy to be having a discussion with BCCI, and I think whatever will be done will be in the best interest of everyone, the fans, the players, all stakeholders. So, no outcome of a meeting. How can there be an outcome of a meeting today? It will not happen. You know, maybe the outcome will come in the next week, 2 weeks, maybe less, maybe more. We don't know.
But the concept of mega auction itself, what is the broad consensus?
I'm not going to say that. Listen, everyone gave their views. You know, everyone has their own opinion. You know, and at the end of the day, it's like I said. I think you have to look at all the stakeholders and do what's best for that. That's the most important. You know, I'm sorry, I'm not giving you any information, but listen, at the end of the day, it's about everyone, including you guys. You know, at the end of the day, you all love the sport. The fans love it. The cricketers, everyone. So it's the whole parcel. It's not just one part which was discussed. Should it be a mini auction, mega auction, small auction? That time period, 5 years. There were many things discussed. It was a very good brainstorming session, which eventually our objective is to make sure that the fans are happier, the media is happier, the cricketers are happier, everyone's happier. So that's why we were here.
You spoke about uncapped players. Can you tell us more about that?
Listen, at the end of the day, everyone has to get their due. There were discussions on uncapped players. There were discussion on capped players. There were discussion on several fronts. And I think at the end of the day, it's good to encourage cricket more and more in India, and that's what we are here to do as IPL franchise owners. Impact player was discussed. I'm not going to tell you what we said, But at the end of the day, like I said, whatever is good for everyone, and I'm repeating again, the fans, the cricketers, the media, Indian cricket, for everyone. It is not, we're not here to just look at one part of the puzzle.
Foreign players,
Nothing, again, everything was discussed. A lot of things were discussed. Like, I mean, what can I say? I don't know, nothing, in terms of availability, a little bit was discussed, few other things were discussed, but nothing more than that. It was every team gave their opinion, and one thing I can tell you, that whatever is better for everyone, okay, including the fans. I repeat again, the fans, the cricketers. That's what we're going to do. That's what the BCCI will do, an IPL. Look what they've done for Indian cricket. Today we have an A team, B team, C team, D team.
Performance appraisal every year, something what we discussed.
Anything on
Players, whether
performance-based increment of players.
Increment.
No, nothing. I mean, I don't know about any performance appraisal. I have no idea. We do our own performance appraisal internally on the players.
So personally, do you want a mega auction, or are you fine with a mini auction as is being discussed?
Listen, at the end of the day, whatever takes the sport forward, okay, is to me the most important thing. I repeat, and I'm not being boring, but it's the excitement of the auction, the excitement of the cricket, the excitement of the trading, the excitement. I mean, look at you guys. You guys are here at 11:30 at night. I mean, you are smiling still. Okay, so look at your excitement. So it's about everyone. It's about taking the Indian Premier League to greater heights.
when are they expecting them to get back to you on
I would think we would, within the next, God knows, couple of weeks, maybe more, maybe less. I don't know. I don't think there's any rush in that, my friend.
Thanks.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
ब्रीथिंग तो नेक्स्ट वाली नहीं बोल रहे थे मैंने कहा सबको पार्ट में करा पार्ट में देख जम के किया और बोला ये बाद में मौका कल होना उससे पहले से और तभी कर जाएगा भाई ने बाकी पैसे तो दे दिया अपना ये हो तो गया ना एक्चुअली लेट आया थोड़ा तब तक हो गया था सब मजा कितने सालों बाद ऐसा मौका दे रहा है ये सब हमारा कोविड टाइम अभी तक चल ही रहा था अच्छा फिर साथ चलने इतने कॉम्प्लिकेटेड व्यूज आए उससे क्या होगा व्यूज आए वो ठीक है लेने होते हैं करना आपको सुना अभी ये ले लो यही तो बोल रहे आपकी सुनी अभी ये ले लो ये ऐसा डेमोक्रेसी में ऐसा सुननी सकती करनी
was just to hear all the different perspectives from all the owners, and the BCCI has heard us, and now they will give us all the the rules. Hopefully by the end of August we'll get to know the rules for the next cycle.
what's the general consensus about how many players you can retain?
Nothing. Some people want 8 to 10, some people want 4, some people want 6. It's all up in the air.
Now you can tell us what is it that you actually put forward on the field.
Should I? I don't know. No, I think it depends, no, on what the views are. You should take some other owners' views also.
Any discussions on the impact player rule?
Impact player rule, again, different views from different people. Some people want it because it gives a chance to young players to play in the IPL. Some people don't want it because it is detrimental to Indian cricket in terms of the development of all-rounders. So it's a mixed bag. I'm on the second camp. I don't want it. I prefer the game as it is, 11 versus 11, and I think all-rounders are very important, and you have different players who don't bowl in the IPL or don't bat in the IPL because of this rule, which is not good for Indian cricket.
Was there a debate on auction also? Should there
There
be
was, yeah. There was. I was surprised. There was a debate. Some people said that there should not be a mega auction at all. There should be only smaller auctions. I'm not in that camp. I feel that it evens the playing field, and it's very good for everyone. It makes the IPL what it is. It makes it competitive. It makes it an even playing field. So that's what I believe.
So majority. So what we're learning is about this only, that teams owners don't want the auction, and sort of they want
No. It's not.
7, 8, it's just a few owners you're saying who not all of you are on the same page on this issue.
Yeah, we're not on the same page on many issues, but I think the BCCI, in their wisdom, will decide. I think President and Secretary will decide.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Auction तो we decide नहीं हुआ है. We took their opinion and then we'll decide.
retention?
Huh?
Retention.
We took their opinion and we are
Retention also.
हाँ,
On the number
all
of
we discussed.
a light.
सब डिस्कस हुआ. हम एक हफ्ते में सब शॉर्ट पॉइंट.
शॉर्ट यही जो